Good day, my name is Ervin Jus Amor from section G to G, and i-explain ko ang week 3 about the language of mathematics. Mathematics is often called as a universal language because it has understood by people from different countries. It uses numbers, symbols, and formulas to express idea clearly. Through mathematics, we can understand patterns, relationships, and solve problems in everyday life. Mathematics are considered as a language because it has own symbols, rules, and structure just like English or any spoken language. It allows people to communicate ideas in a precise and organized way no matter what language they speak. Basic elements of the mathematical language. The basic elements of mathematical language include numbers, symbols, variables, expression, and equation. Number present quantities, symbol, show operation, and variables are letters used to represent unknown values. Mathematical symbols and their meanings. Mathematical symbols have specific meaning. For example, plus means addition, the minus sign means subtraction, the multiplication sign means multiply, and the division sign means divide. These symbols help to understand that mathematical statement quickly. So, muna siya ang mga mathematical symbols and their meaning. Kanina plus, divide, minus, di lang makita sa camera kay kuan ayo gamay, and times. Mathematical as a universal language. One of the most powerful aspects of mathematics, it does use universal. No matter where you go, mathematical expressions have the same meaning. For example, 2 plus 2 for every country. Mathematical language is important because it helps us solve problem efficient use in science, engineering, and technological. It also improves our logical thinking and help us make better decisions in daily life. So, kaning mathematical sentence. A mathematical sentence is the analog of English sentence. A correct sentence arrangement of mathematical symbols that state complete thought. It makes sense to us about the truth or a sentence. It is truth or it is false, or it is sometimes truth, sometimes false. Mana example kani. The word cat begins with the letter K or false. Kay abi nimo og kanang ang cat kay letter K na siya na kangaroo pero letter C day na coat. And kini pong nay 1 plus 2 equals 4 is false kay dili man siya tinuod na 4 ang answer. Dapat kay 3 o gani pong 5 minus 3 equals 2. Muna siya ang true. Kay sakto man yung answer 2. Yan kani pong number 5. 3 plus 3 equals 4. So, wrong na siya. False na siya. Dapat ang answer kay 6. Yan, tani. Application in real life. We use mathematics in many aspects of our daily lives. It helps us manage money, measure time, build structure, and even navigate ship or technology. Mathematics plays a big role in almost everything we do. And advantage of mathematical language. Mathematical language is a clear, precise, and logical. It reduces misunderstanding and allows to communicate complex idea in a simple way. This make it very useful in many fields. And challenge in learning mathematical language. However, learning mathematical can be challenging. Some concepts are abstract and symbols may be confusing at first, but with practice and understanding, it becomes easier over time. Mathematical is a power of a universal language that helps understand the world. It improves our thinking skills and allows us to solve problems effectively. Thank you, and that's all.